In today's video, I am going to teach you how to find Freshsales API key documentation. To get started, log into your Freshsales account. Make sure you are using the same account that has access to the settings you need. While you log in, keep an eye on the main dashboard and top navigation bar, since you will be using those menus to reach the right page. After you are signed in, click on your profile icon. This is usually located in the top corner of the Freshsales interface. The profile icon is the gateway to your personal options, so clicking it is the first step that connects you from the main app area to your settings area. Next, select Personal Settings. Take a moment to confirm that you are in the right settings category, because personal settings is where authentication and API-related options are typically grouped. When you click into this area, you should see a menu or list of categories that relate to how your account behaves and what access options are available. From there, navigate to the API settings section. This section may appear as a tab or a labeled area within personal settings. The purpose of going here is to find the controls related to API access, which is the area where documentation links usually live. If you do not see it immediately, scroll slightly within the settings panel until it appears. Once you have reached API settings, this part is important because authentication settings define how API requests are authorized and what credential-related information is connected to your account. Clicking Authentication should open or reveal the authentication area, and within that area you will typically see options that help you connect your account to external tools. After you open Authentication, click the API documentation link. This is the final step for reaching the instructions and reference material you need. The documentation link is designed to show you how the API works, what endpoints are available, and how authentication should be handled when you integrate Freshsales into other applications. As the documentation loads, it is helpful to take a quick look at the structure of the page so you know what to read next. Typically, the documentation includes explanations of authentication methods and how to use API credentials securely. If the page includes sections, you can scan to find the portion that specifically matches authentication and API usage, since that is what you are navigating toward. Finally, verify that you are viewing the correct documentation content for Freshsales and the API area you are trying to work with. If there are multiple links or versions, make sure the one you open corresponds to the API settings you accessed earlier. This small check helps prevent confusion later when you start implementing an integration. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.